So yesterday we have discussed about the installment plan in compound interest. So let's solve some questions on them. And then we'll continue for next part. Just give me 1 minute. तो कल हमने जो सीखा था उसमें ये था, अमाउंट को इक्वल कर रहे थे ट्रीटेड एज इंस्टॉलमेंट, और प्रिंसिपल को सम कर रहे थे ट्रीटेड एज अ लोन. Solve question number 42. In this question, we have given loan as 25220. We have to find out each installment. So let's start solving this. I upon P for first year is 1/20. For second year, for third year, it becomes A upon P A upon P then make it amount equal, make it amount equal. So we have each amount, that is each installment of 9261 and the loan as product of this data summation of all three is 25220. So the loan according to us is 25220. According to question 25220. The each installment according to us 9261. According to question is question mark. So answer is 9261. Yeah, Anurag, correct answer sir. Option A. Jaydev, here we are not going to find out the ratio ना. यहाँ पे रेशियो नहीं बताना है सर. अमाउंट इक्वल करना था सर, रेशियो नहीं बनाना है. जयदेव, वी हैव डिस्कस यस्टरडे ना, अमाउंट इक्वल कर दीजिए, तीनों जगह से लोन उठाइए. पहली जगह से कितना है 20 इंटू 21 इंटू 21 दैट इज 8820. दूसरी जगह से उठाइए 20 इंटू 20 इंटू 21 दैट इज 8400. तीसरी जगह से 20 इंटू 20 इंटू 20 दैट इज 8000. Summation of all three principal is 25220 that behaves as a loan. And just compare it, answer is 9261 sir. Okay. Solve one more question on it. इस वाले को बनाइए 43 को. क्वेश्चन नंबर 43 को देखिए बनाकर. यहां पे अब की बार हमें इंस्टॉलमेंट गिवन है, हमें उसका लोन बताना है. जो यहां पे सीपी लिखा है दैट इज अ लोन टेकन बाय द मैन फॉर परचेजिंग दैट बाइक. अनुराग, ओके. Let's solve this. Anurag, correct answer, sir. I upon P 1 by 5. Santosh, correct answer, sir. A upon P becomes each installment is of 216 and loan is what? So 216 is corresponding 10,800. 1 is corresponding to 50. 455 is corresponding to 50 into 455. That is 22750. That is 22750 is the correct answer. Kindly check. Okay. Whenever you need to solve a question, depend upon the time, we need to use a formula. Just give me 1 second. Just write down the 3 formulas. A upon P half yearly. A upon P whenever we need to find out the R or T, जब भी हमें rate या time निकालना हो, first we try to use these formulas. Okay. Now, some of the questions we are going to solve now based on them. Just comment the done message when you write down all 3 formulas in your notebook. Okay. Shruti, Santosh. Now, solve first one. If nothing said, the question is on compounded annually. मोहन ऑप्शन सी, ओके सर। अनुराग ऑप्शन डी, नहीं सर, चेक। सी भी नहीं है, डी भी नहीं है, चेक चेक योर कैलकुलेशंस। इट इज अ फॉर्मूला बेस्ड क्वेश्चन। नाउ इट्स करेक्ट वन, अनुराग अब सही है। जयदेव करेक्ट आंसर। ए, थ्री, टू से कट किया, इट बिकम्स क्यूबिक, क्यूबिक कैंसिल। ऑप्शन ए इज करेक्ट वन, ओके। कैन वी चेक? आप ऐसे जिसने सोल्व किया नहीं बना रहा आपका, where your calculation is incorrect. Solve question number 34. Mohan, incorrect answer. Shruti, correct. Santosh, correct. When we said it, 8 times of itself, it means A upon P is 8 times of itself. It is 100%. Yes, Jaidev, option A. Solve next. ओके जयदेव, इस बार क्वार्टरली का फॉर्मूला लगाइएगा. Use formula for quarterly because the question has said it quarterly. Mohan, incorrect, sir. Okay, now solve. Principal in this question has given, interest has given, amount becomes time is given 9 months. Three years. Effectively, R is 20%. Effectively, R is 20%. Check. Jaidev, if you are getting 5%, that means you have solved either for annually or doing something wrong, sir. Jaidev. Okay. Solve. Question 36. An amount of money given at CI becomes 7,000 after 4 years and 10,000 after 8 years. Find the initial sum of money that has given. No one got the answer. Amount is 7,000 after 4 years. Make it equation 1. Amount is 10,000 after 8 years. Make it equation 2. Just divide second equation by 1. So 10,000 upon P, 7,000 upon P, 1 plus R upon 100. Cancel with P to P. Effectively we have 10 upon 7. Put this in equation 1. 7,000 upon P, cross multiply. P is 4,900. Option B. P is 4,900. Okay, Anurag. We have a shortcut of this. Alternate, you can say that. If the time period is in AP, जब मैंने पैसा उधार दिया तो 0 years बीते थे, मनी था P. जब 4 साल बीत गए, when 4 years completed, this becomes 7,000. अगर समय AP में होता है, पैसा GP में होता है. That means what? That means they are in ratio. P upon 7,000, 7,000 upon 10,000. Make it cross multiply. That is alternate way for question 36. एक और है सर, इसको बनाइए. Okay, Jadev, that one is the last selection. जयदेव बताइएगा अगर आप लिख रहे हैं. Solve 37. Try to write down in a same manner for question 37 also. Okay, let's solve this one. Amount is 2646. Four years. 2400 and 2 years. The best way, just divide both of them. So cut with 6, it becomes so no, Anurag, answer is 5%. Solve question 28. 38. Srinivas, you can unmute yourself now, sir.
Sir,
Yes.
please show me the last slide. I want to ask one small doubt.
This one?
Sir, here some principal will become 2400, right?
Yeah, after 2 years.
After 2 years, and in 2646 in after 4 years.
Yes.
Sir, we can subtract 2400 from 2646, right? So 246 is the compound interest for the 2 years.
2646 is the amount after 4 years, and 2400 is the amount after 2
After
years.
2 years.
But
Right,
we
sir.
cannot say that what you said, 246.
246 for 2 years interest. Okay, this is the 2 years difference interest.
That is not true. It is not simple interest, sir.
Sir,
Simple interest
what I
that
thought 246 is for 2 years. I divided those 246 by 2. 123 is the answer. 123.
it is compound interest, Srinivas. It is compound interest, sir.
Yes, sir.
The concept you are using it, that is a simple interest. In compound interest change after every year, because
yes, sir,
we have charged the interest on principal as well as on the last interest, sir. So it is not possible. We cannot say that 123 is the interest of 1 year, sir. It is not. It is incorrect, sir.
No, that is incorrect, sir. Actually,
Yeah.
what I thought that 123 I compared to the 2400. 2400 5% is 120. So the nearest value will be right. Actually, whenever
incorrect data, sir. If the gap is of 1 year, if you are saying 2400 of 4 years and 2646 of 5 years, then your theory is applicable. 246, 2400 and 200. Then it is correct, sir. 10.2 something. Why it is correct? Because 2646 upon P, 2400 upon P, 1 plus R upon 100 raised to the power 5 and 1 plus R upon 100 raised to the power 4. So it becomes only 1, sir. वहां पे चल जाएगा. But here the gap is of 2 years, sir. It will not work there. We cannot do it.
Isn't there any shortcut for such kind of questions?
So we have to solve it efficiently. It becomes a shortcut. अगर आप इसी को efficiently solve कर देंगे, it becomes a shortcut, sir.
Actually, I don't go through the formula based because I don't know formula. That's my view. Actually, that's my way of study.
Look, if I'm saying you like this, just give me a moment.
Okay.
If I'm saying you like this, 2400 is the amount, 2646 is the amount. The gap of how many years?
2 years.
2 years. Make their ratio. That becomes 400. That becomes 441. The gap is 2 years. To make it a gap of 1 year, take their square root. Take their square root. 1 year becomes a 20 and 21.
20. Yes.
Now solve this. 1 upon 20 into 100 is 5%. Whichever the number I'm using here in this shortcut, I have done everything. 441, 400, square, 1 by 25. It is the same thing.
Okay, if the gap is 3 years means
gap is 3 years, we are taking
cube root.
Gap is 4 years, we are taking square root 2 times.
Okay. Enough, sir. Enough. I got the point.
Or this one, 38.
Actually, I have gone through each and every type of problem, but I am just recalling. So that's why I asked for yesterday's class.
No issues. No issues.
Okay.
Solve this. Okay, now solve this. Amount becomes twice of itself in 3 years. It will become 9 times of itself in how many years? That is the question. This data, I cannot simplify it for R. So just put this data here. How? 3 upon 1 ka whole square. Put this whole data here. It becomes 6. So time is 6 years. Kindly check if you are getting 6 years. Perfectly fine. how in ratio, Anurag? I don't get it, sir. रेशियो में कैसे सॉल्व करूं, मैं समझा दूं. जो मैंने एपीजीपी बताया था, ओके ओके ओके. I created another slide, sir, for that shortcut. I'm creating another slide for that shortcut, sir. In this session, I have told you if money is in GP, time is in AP. So here, suppose we have given someone a P is 1, it becomes 3P. 1, it becomes 3, then it becomes 9. So money is going in a GP, time should be in AP. When we have given that, it should be 0. For 3, it becomes 3 years. So here the difference is 3. So again the difference is 3. Answer is 6 years. Anurag, kindly check, sir. Okay. Solve 39. If money is in GP, जयदेव, तो पैसा जो है, अगर पैसा आपका जीपी में है तो समय एपी में होगा सर. जैसे मान लो मैंने आपको 100 रुपए उधार दिए हैं सर. मान लीजिए मैंने आपको 100 रुपए उधार दिए हैं सर आज की डेट में. 6 साल के बाद आप मुझे 400 वापस करते हैं. 6 साल के बाद आप मुझे 400 वापस करते हैं. तो सर 6 सालों में पैसा अपने का कितने गुना हो गया? तो आप कहेंगे सर 100 को 4 से गुणा करो, पैसा 400 हो गया. कितने समय में? 6 साल में. तो अगले 6 साल में अगर आप कहें, यानी मैं अगर आपसे 12 साल के बाद पैसा वापस लूंगा तो क्या होगा जयदेव? फिर से 4 से गुणा कर दो सर, आपको मुझे 1600 देने पड़ेंगे. ठीक है. अगर मैं आपसे और 6 साल के बाद पैसा लूं सर, 18 साल के बाद, आपको मुझे 6400 देने पड़ेंगे. यानी अगर मैं एक कांस्टेंट अमाउंट ऑफ टाइम ऐड करता चला जाऊं तो एक कांस्टेंट मल्टीप्लायर से पैसा गुणा होता चला जाएगा. सो सब पैसे में मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है, दैट्स व्हाई इट इज अ जीपी, और समय में एडिशन हो रहा है, दैट्स व्हाई इट इज अ एपी. गॉट इट जयदेव कुमार? इसको देख लीजिए सर, फिर मैं रफ कर दूंगा क्योंकि मुझे दूसरा स्टार्ट करना है. Srinivas, have you joined the session from starting, sir? I have told this and I have used this concept already, sir. If money is in a GP, time should be in AP, and a vice versa, sir. But time is in AP, money is in GP. In that sense, vice versa. So kindly watch the video again. You will able to understand it. 8 times of itself in 3 years. Now it becomes 2 by 1 ka whole cube. Here I can solve for rate. We need 16 times become in how much time? Kindly solve question number 40. Okay, Sujit Kumar. Amount is, principal is, answer. It becomes 11 upon 10 whole cube. Solve 40. 1.5 years is the correct answer. Yes, 3 years if it is compounded annually. But then rate has to be 10, sir. Then rate has to be 10, Srinivas. Solve next. 41. Jaidev, correct answer, sir. 8,000 becomes 9261 at 10%. That is none of the above. Okay. So how many lines should I have created for tree method? Varun, because it is compounded half yearly, sir. Okay, so that end with the CI. Kindly take the snapshot, screenshot of questions what we have discussed today. Here we have discussed today. Question number 33. Okay, Srinivas. 34. 35. 36. 37. 38. Time and work, sir. Anurag, we will start time and work, sir. 38. Okay, Bhavan. I'll unmute you, sir. जी कर सकते हैं सर अनम्यूट.
हेलो.
हाँ जी.
हाँ सर, वही जो मैंने कल पूछा था ना सर, वही सेम क्वेश्चन पूछना था सर. बेसिकली करीब 10-12 दिन में हमारा वो BOM का एग्जाम चालू हो जाएगा, तो
जी,
बस
जी,
वही
जी.
जानना था कि सर जो हमारे लिए इजी टॉपिक हो, जो इजीली जिसमें हम स्टक ना हो और टाइम टेकिंग ना
सिंप्लीफिकेशन
हो.
और नंबर सीरीज, सिंप्लीफिकेशन और क्वाड्रेटिक पे आप देखिए, उसमें आप खुद से भी सॉल्व कर पाएंगे सर.
हाँ.
ठीक है. नंबर सीरीज, सिंप्लीफिकेशन एंड क्वाड्रेटिक. इसके साथ साथ सर जो टॉपिक है रेशियो, परसेंटेज, वो बहुत ज्यादा डिफिकल्ट नहीं आएगा, तो वहां भी आप देख सकते हैं, वो भी मतलब बना सकते हैं. SI CI हमने किया है. SI तो आपने पढ़ा होगा, सिंपल इंटरेस्ट.
हाँ सर
जी. और एक दो टॉपिक्स और जब तक हम कर लेंगे सर, सो होपफुली इतने से हो जाएगा.
ओके सर, क्योंकि सर टाइम का बहुत कंस्ट्रेंट रहेगा ना, 15 मिनट ही रहेंगे.
जी जी. वो अगेन सर, वो अगेन इट इज अ पार्ट ऑफ द प्रैक्टिस. जितना आप प्रैक्टिस कर पाए सर इस रिमेनिंग टाइम में, उतना बेटर होगा सर.
ओके,
ठीक है.
थैंक यू सर.
तो बाय, गुड नाइट एवरीवन, सी यू नेक्स्ट वीक.